Hello, all. Today we will be seeing what is Stibo MDM in IBM Maximo. So, the very first, the key concepts. Stibo MDM manages enterprise master data effectively. What is master data? It is the data that will not change. It will remain same as it is. For example, a person's data, um, which is the name and surname and some personal ID, which will never change. Those are called master data. So to manage them effectively, Stibo MDM manages it. It ensures data consistency across multiple business systems, like the systems that are connected to the Maximo. Data consistency is ensured. It focuses on data governance and quality assurance. It handles product, supplier, customer, and location domains, all the things that are integrated with each other. Streamlines processes with accurate and reliable data. It improves operational efficiency through unified information, and then it facilitates better decision making via consistent data. So before we go ahead, we'll see what is IBM Maximo. It is the asset management tool that manages assets and maintenance workflows. It tracks inventory, maintenance, and operational efficiency. It optimizes preventive and predictive maintenance strategies. It centralizes platform for EAM operations, supporting various industries like utilities, transportation, manufacturing. It enhances asset lifecycle with advanced management tools. And finally, it integrates seamlessly with the external enterprise systems like SAP and the other ERP tools. Now, the integration with Stibo MDM, it standardizes asset related data for Maximo systems. It ensures consistent supplier data for procurement tasks. It synchronizes locations, facilities, and asset records. It provides reliable master data across both platforms. It reduces errors with centralized data repositories integration. It improves Maximo functionality with enriched master data. And finally, it facilitates seamless data flow for business operations. So, the benefits of integration, what will they be? It will enhance the data accuracy and it will reduce the discrepancies significantly. It will streamline the maintenance and procurement data. It will boost the decision making with reliable and harmonized information. It will improve operational efficiency through unified data governance, finally, reducing the cost via better maintenance and planning capabilities. It will increase productivity with scalable and automated processes and strengthen enterprise systems with robust integrations. Examples where they are used: utilities, consistent asset data for power grids; retail, harmonized supplier and product master data; manufacturing, maintenance of accurate machine lifecycle records; transportation, optimized fleet and equipment management data; facilities, reliable location details for better operations; oil and gas asset standardization across operational systems; healthcare, data synchronization for equipment and facilities management. So that's it for the Stibo MDM. Thank you.